Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can add the EAFC24 game on your Steam. So once you open the Steam, now click on the library, and once you are on the Steam library, just click on the add a game you are seeing on the left hand bottom. Now click on the add a non-Steam game, and now here just click on the browse option you are seeing. And once you click on the browse, now here you just need to locate the folder of the EAFC24 game. So once you open up the folder, now just select the launcher of the game and just select the launcher or the exe file. And guys, once you select it, just click on the open option, and now it was added to your add non-steam game. Now here you can simply scroll down and just search for it and just check this box and just click on the add selected programs. Once you click on that, now the EA FC24 game was added to your Steam, and this is how you can add the EA FC24 game on your Steam. And hope this quick tutorial is helpful for you. So if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.